Hey boo things, we jump right into this. So this is a W part closure, and they call it that for obvious reasons, as you see, because you can part it down the middle, you can part it down the left or the right side. This hair is from OUTRE Purple Pack Brazilian Boutique, and this is their dark blue 3-piece bundle with the closure set. So, ladies, look, I jumped right on in. We done already got it halfway done. I just want y'all to see I'm doing my same method of applying or doing a quick weave as always. So if you're interested and you're new to the channel, first of all, hey boo, I will make sure I leave videos in the description bar of the way I do my quick weaves. Okay, y'all, do y'all see this blue? It is not, like, first of all, it is bright and it's really pretty on camera, but I'm talking about, look, this hair is a lot darker than what it's appearing in the picture or the video, but I'm not mad at it, honey. It is beautiful either way. So right now we're just filling that in. Okay, we're just filling that in. Y'all see, you know, I put a little snippet in there when the girl was feeling real cute. Now, y'all, I'm going in with the lace glue, the bold hold from SHEBADHouseOfCORS.com. Check them out, y'all. This is my sis company. She is the bomb. She sells hair products as well as clothing, as well as hair. I already said that, and as well as makeup. So y'all need to check her out. That's the website below. Let her know Lexi sent you. But I'm just going to apply a little bit of this, y'all. Let me tell y'all about this glue. This glue is so dope. When I tell you, it'll have your lace of any kind, your lace front, your closure fronts or whatever, it will have it laid so nicely. Y'all gotta also try her mousse and all that other good stuff, y'all. So it's the bomb. Go get it. So I decided to show y'all the middle part first. I really dig the middle part. Like, I feel real like I can snatch somebody daddy up, right? Or somebody uncle. I would say somebody grandpa, but you know, I don't go that old. But y'all feel what I'm saying. But I'm just using my hot comb to just really get it really flat. From here, I'm gonna just let you ladies watch or whatever, because I don't like doing all that talking and whatnot. And y'all let me know what y'all think. Any questions, please leave those questions in the comment section. Your girl get back to you. All right, I love you babies for watching. If you're new, make sure you subscribe, because we about to get real lit on this channel. All right, love y'all. Catch y'all in the next one. Alright, y'all, so this is what I came up with. This is the final touch. So we did change it from a middle part to a side part. Because it is a W part closure, you can do so. So you can either wear it to the left, to the right, or right down the middle. This is what the card looks like. It is from the premium purple pack from Brazilian Boutique, excuse me. And it's 100% human hair premium blend, and this is the color DRBLUE. It comes with 3 bundles: 18-inch, 20-inch, 22-inch, and the W part closure is a 5-inch by 5-inch. So you can't do anything super fancy with it, but if you're a beginner or you just don't really care to do all that extra stuff to a human hair part, this part is perfect. I did do the edge method that I do. I'll leave videos in the description bar for you ladies to check out. This hair was only $19.99 a pack. I used 1 whole pack, If you like your hair thicker, which is I do, then you would need to get 2 packs. But even that $40 is still a really good deal. But it came out to like 21 and some change when you're done. But I'm going to go online and I'm going to see where maybe you ladies can pick this up at. But so far so good. I think I've had this hair on, or this is maybe the third or fourth day. I have straightened it. I have curled it. It does curl, but not like super tight. So if you want a super tight curl, just get you some rollers, hot set it, let it dry. You should be good to go. It straightens out pretty well. I've straightened it out to about 360 degrees. I won't go higher than that. There are tips and tricks as far as instructions on the back, and this is from OUTRE. So far, I really like it. I just wish it was a little thicker, so you might want to think about getting you a second pack. But other than that, ladies, I really do like it. It is in my favorite color, as y'all know, so I dig it. It's a nice little cheap little baddie on a budget type of thing y'all can do. But if y'all have any questions, please tell me in the comment section and I'll get right back to you. And I hope you ladies enjoyed this video, and I will catch y'all on the next one.